Welcome back, everybody. Severe thunderstorm watch continues here for most of Montana, and boy, all of the yellow boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, are severe thunderstorm warnings right now. This is where more of the intense thunderstorms have been developing out in central and eastern Montana, and a flood watch here. I think a lot of us in Helena are familiar with flooding after Sunday's storm, but a lot of activity here all over the state. Had some activity on the west side of town earlier, and then also out on the north end of the Elkhorns, pushing across the Canyon Ferry area. But we are not out of the woods yet, because the skies are turning dark, and here come the thunderstorms again up from the southwest. Looks like more of this is going maybe on the west side of town, but everything will be filling in. Some storms up around White Sulphur Springs, and again we had the storm out on the north end of the Elkhorns, drifting on off towards the north. Lincoln got hit pretty hard earlier. That thunderstorm was moving up Highway 200. We've got some wet weather still, potential for some rain and some hail, and probably not severe weather here. These storms not reaching quite the level of intensity as the storms are just off towards the east. Look at that. I mean, this was the storm that potentially produced that tornado, certainly a funnel cloud, but it comes a tornado when it touches ground here. But that storm is not moving, just sitting there, dumping over the Hobson area. Off towards the north, that storm also moving pretty slowly, but also you can almost see it rotating right there. Box Elder, severe thunderstorm warning with that one. Hayes, again, another location with a cell that's just sitting practically, not moving. I mean, just imagine the pouring rain coming down, large hail as well. Up there, Fort Belknap, we've got another severe thunderstorm warning. Malta, that storm is moving away. Wolf Point, down around the Culbertson area, had some funky looking clouds earlier with those severe thunderstorms. A lot of activity across a lot of the northern Rockies here, and that will continue. And again, through the next hour to 2 hours, showers and thunderstorms coming up across the Helena area, but looks like they will be worse central and eastern Montana. Still may see a storm all the way until about 7:30, 8 o'clock here tonight, and then things will quiet down like they did, except down around Townsend. You got that one lone shower last night around 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, and then had a nice start for the day for tomorrow as well, but then getting into the afternoon, here we go again. Boy, are we in an active pattern with scattered thunderstorms developing, and again, we are in the threat for severe weather for tomorrow as well through the afternoon and the evening hours. Things quiet down Thursday night into Friday morning, and then pick right back up as we get into Friday afternoon with another round of some storms coming through. Good amount of precipitation here as well, potential for flooding north central and eastern Montana. So still under the gun for the next several hours, probably until about 8, 9 o'clock, and then things will be moving on off towards the east for tomorrow. Starting out partly cloudy, and then the thunderstorms fire again through the afternoon. 3, 4, 5 o'clock here, we'll start to see those thunderstorms coming across a lot of the area. Temperatures mainly into the 80s. For Friday, another round of thunderstorms, potentially severe. A few of those could be. Gets a little warmer here, getting up into the middle and upper 80s, even 90 degrees down around in Bozeman. A few 90s out into the eastern part of the state. And then heading into Saturday, yeah, we've got some thunderstorms coming through here, maybe one more day, and then into Sunday, things will begin to quiet down. Just a few isolated thunderstorms here. It will be a little breezy here on Sunday. Fortunately, these thunderstorms have been producing some rain. Here's the 7-day forecast, and here we go from storms now, storms likely tomorrow, storms likely across most of the area on Friday. More scattered on Saturday, but we're still a few days away before that happens. It will stay active into the start of the weekend, and then things start to quiet down and heat up. But we could have more thunderstorms late next week as well.